Hello everyone, we're from Buildup and our product here aims to streamline the real estate and construction industry in countries like India. Before I go ahead and talk about the solution we're offering, I'd like to take a moment and tell you why the product was actually born. When one of our team members was trying to buy a new house, he realized that the construction industry has several shortcomings. It takes anywhere between 6 months to 3 years for a house to be completely built, but most people buy the house much before that. And it is really difficult for a buyer to visualize the end construction before it is actually built using floor plans or 3D models. The solution that we're offering here is in the form of two applications. The augmented reality and virtual reality application allows you to view the exterior and the interior of the house much before it is actually built. The AR component works by projecting a 3D model over something like a target image like a floor plan. The VR component of the application allows you to view the interiors of the house as if you're actually in it. It also gives you a walk through the different rooms and areas of the house. The second application is a construction management suite wherein the engineer can come and upload the status of the construction at each stage. This is then reviewed and approved by the manager. Once the manager approves the status of a construction, the customer is automatically notified about the same and can keep a track of the progress. So all this is cool tech, but how is it really helpful? So India is a huge market when it comes to real estate with a value of about $308 billion right now. And this is expected to increase to as much as 1 trillion by 2030. But most people in India still use something called a demo flat for the buyers. This increases the cost to a buyer by as much as 12%. By using our product, this cost can be reduced for the buyer while still providing them with a very similar experience. Talking about the traction that we've achieved so far and the future plan. We got our very first client back in August, and this helped us generate our very first revenue of about $6,500. And our second client was recently onboarded in October, and we're helping them with their latest project in Hyderabad. As a future plan, we wish to tie up with furnishing companies and interior designers to provide a catalog of their services and products on our application. The team that we have is very diverse and includes people from application development, business management, and animation backgrounds. What we're asking for is if you or anyone you know is from the construction industry, do reach out to us for any possible collaborations or mentorship. Thank you.
Thanks for that. Are you guys building your own 3D rendering tools, or?
So there are two options. Because most of the builders actually have a 3D rendering, we can use it right into our platform. However, if you're a really new builder and you don't have your own 3D models, we could design it ourselves as a service.
You're launching this in India, and you described some attributes of the market there. Do you see this scaling beyond that?
Not really throughout the world, because I understand that in a few markets, most of the people end up buying a house after it's completely constructed. But in countries like Brazil and India, most of the people end up waiting for a very long time after the construction starts, but invest much before it's actually done. So in countries where people buy the house much before it is actually constructed, this is our target audience. Thank you.